Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress and create a website on GoDaddy. First thing you have to do is select a name for your website. In technical terms, it is called a domain name. It can be like youtube.com, godaddy.com, smarthelpguides.com or any other similar name. So please check the link from the description or the pinned comment. It will be available at both places. Then you will see this option. Then in the search field here, type the domain name that you want to purchase. Then from the drop down option, you can select the preferred extension. I will keep it .com. Here you will also find some tips to help you decide a domain name for your website. After that, click on check availability. Now you can see the domain name we are looking for is available. So click on register now. Now we have to select a web hosting plan for our website. A web hosting plan is required for every website. It is the place where everything is stored and hosted. All the data of your website, it can be text content, images, video, or any other content related to your website. It needs to be hosted on a web hosting. Scroll down. Here you can see all the plans. I would suggest you to pick the economy plan if you want to create only one website. If you want to create multiple websites, then I would suggest you to pick the deluxe plan. You can see here, this plan only allows one website and this deluxe plan allows up to 10 websites and this ultimate plan allows up to 25 websites. So for this tutorial, I will select the economy plan. On this page, you can see that this web hosting economy plan is selected for 12 months by default. You can also increase the duration for better offers. Minimum 12 months plan is required to get this free domain. So our website name will be free. Let's go back to the domain search tool and from here I will copy this name. We have already checked it's available. So now we can add here, just paste it here. Then click on this search icon. You can see it's available and it's free. Click on this add to cart option. Then scroll down. You can see here this domain duration is 3 years. I will select it to 1 year to make it free. Also, we do not need these extra full domain protection or SSL setup service. So please do not add them to your cart. Now click on ready for checkout. Then click on continue with email. Now you have to provide your basic personal information and create your GoDaddy account. I already have a GoDaddy account, so I will sign in directly and show you the next steps. After creating your GoDaddy account, you have to provide your billing information and then complete the payment. As you can see, I have completed the payment and also received the confirmation. Click on continue. On this page, you can see this is the product we just purchased. Click on this 3 dots, then click on the setup option. Click on create a new site. Now you have to select a server which is closest to your audience or customers. I will select Singapore here. Click on continue. Then you will see an option to select if you want to create a WordPress website or not. Normally I would select on yes, let's do it. But because of technical issues I have faced with GoDaddy, I will select not now, thanks, and manually install WordPress. Now GoDaddy will take few seconds to configure our account and then we will continue to install WordPress. Okay, so the setup is done and you will be automatically redirected within few seconds. You can see here GoDaddy has currently assigned a temporary address instead of our main domain. Let's see how our website looks right now. Click on continue. And okay, so this is our temporary page. Let's close this here and then let's connect our main domain which we purchased. We can do that by clicking on this change option. Select the domain which you want to connect to your WordPress website. I will select this Click on continue. After few seconds, you should see this message, domain updated. You have successfully updated your domain name. It should be available for use shortly. If you see this message, then everything is correct. If you see a error, something went wrong, please try after 10 minutes, or some other similar error message related to your domain, then please check the description and pin comments to know how to fix it. Now let's reload this area by clicking on this option, or you can also directly refresh the page from your browser. Now you can see the temporary domain has been replaced with our primary main domain. Let's see if we can access it right now. Okay, it's working. This is the same page we were seeing when we accessed our temporary domain. Let's close this and install WordPress now. To do that, click on this option, Cpanel Admin. Click on Save and Continue. Now scroll down till you find this option of Install Tron Applications Installer. Click here. Then select Application Browser. In the search bar, search for WordPress. Click on Install. You have to select the domain where you want to install WordPress. I would suggest you to select the HTTPS version if your plan supports it. You can also verify if your domain has HTTPS or not by going to my website smarthelpguides.com. Click on this option SSL status, right click, open it in a new tab. Then put your domain name here. I will copy it from here. Click on check SSL. You can see the status is valid. The site is certificate type can be self-signed or it can be issued by a trusted authority. But the main thing you have to see is it should be valid. Now let's go back to our installer. Leave all this option as default. In automatic update, I would suggest you to select the minor version and security release. And I will select do not automatically update plugins because sometimes automatic updates can also break your website. Same for the themes. I will keep this option selected of automatic update rollback. This is a really helpful option. Then select the administrator username. This will be the admin account of your WordPress website. So please make sure that you keep these details of username and password in a safe place. Click on show password to view the password, or you can also create a new password and then save it in a notepad. Replace this email with a valid one. We can edit the website title and tagline later. For these options, use the default option. Then in advanced here, click on let me manage these settings. Automatically manage database and backup location should be your hosting account. Give it at default. In automatic backup, I would suggest you to change it to 1 daily plus weekly plus 1 monthly. Then keep all of these options selected as it is by default. Then click on install. Now WordPress will be automatically installed as per our configurations. It took only few seconds. Now let's see if we can access our website or not. Click here. And if you see this warning, do not worry. It is because of the SSL certificate pending installation. Click on advanced, click on proceed. You can see our WordPress website is installed and working. Let's go back here. Click on the second URL to access the admin area. This will automatically redirect you. If it doesn't, then you can use the username and password we just created. Now our WordPress installation is complete and you can manage all its settings from the WordPress dashboard here. If you want to watch more cPanel related tutorials, please check the description and pinned comment. You will find more videos related to its settings like SSL and other important settings. Also for GoDaddy tutorials, you can check the description.